Hey plants lovers, welcome to another unboxing video, but this time we will unbox a Alocasia's corm, but it's not plants anymore, but it's the bud of the Alocasia. So let's begin. And right away I will show you how I planted them and grew them in a small container. This is the corm of Alocasia black velvet variegated pink. I bought 2 corms, and then I would like to potted them. I would like to started them in stratum. So without further ado, let's begin the process. So these are all the materials and apparatus that we're going to use. I'm using a clear plastic container, plastic cup with holes at the bottom. And then the substrate used for the corm is stratum, and with the leads, and this is obviously the corm. And this is the second corm, and we need to I would like to put the first comb in here and the second comb in here, also with the holes at the bottom. So this is the first comb. I'd like to take the comb. I think I'm using only something like this. Make sure it's straight. Then we'll add some stratum on top of it, just to cover it like this. Done with the first one. And the second one, this is the small comb too. Yeah, make sure it's straight like this. Done. Done. Then we started to cover them with the lid. So this is how it looks like after I have watered them, and then I cover with the lids. And then you don't forget to label them. That's all, and I'll update you.